AB, junior officer, plumber, cook, fitter, electrician, truck drivers with Italian social security to embark. Many are applying today because they had the tanker fleet and they had Asia trading ships that they're now thinking, why not apply for local European trade, European flag, social security, pension, sanitary assistance, the benefits of the European Italian system. And if you don't speak English, it's okay, just speak basic Italian. We have the manual enclosed here to learn and train, pass, like, subscribe around your groups of interest. If you come from general cargo ships, ro-ro ships, and you don't have social security, it's a huge opportunity. 3,100 the AB, 3,200 the cook, the plumber, the fitter, electrician, and the truck driver, plus junior officers, 3,300, 3,400. Some say, why such a little gap? It's very simple. You need to parlare italiano. It's very important you speak Italian, and then if you are an officer, you need to read the manuals, the technical deck, and the engine side, the guarantee, and the insurance, and the safety codes. Everything is in Italian. The operational language, emergency, safety is first, is in Italian. So if you are a junior officer, in order to grow up the ranks, then you need to have a better and better and better Italian language and writing also. And it's very important that you understand that after 2 years with this company, you will be employed directly, have a long-term contract, stability, equality also if you're a woman, no issues. Italy has been the first country in the planet to implement equality, non-discrimination rights and obligations. So please apply urgently. Thank you very much indeed. Like and subscribe. Bye.